Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the no network error in Life360 so your location updates properly. First of all, check the internet connection. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Go to the Wi-Fi network and see the Wi-Fi is connected or not. Then, if internet doesn't work, try the mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Go to the airplane mode and turn it on and off. This quickly refreshes your phone network connection. And another step is to check app permission. Go to your phone settings. After going on phone setting, go to the apps and Life360. Search for apps and go to the Life360 and make sure it has permission for location, mobile data and background data. And another step is to reset network setting. If it still says no network, reset your network. On iPhone, go to the setting, general and reset the network setting. On Android, it's under the system only reset option. And last step is to update or reinstall app. Lastly, check if Life360 updated to the latest version. If not updated, go to the Play Store or App Store and search here Life360. Make sure the app is updated. As you can see, my app is not updated, so make sure the app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. Try this step and no network issues should be gone. If this helps, hit the like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.